All right, the time has come. You can now finally upload custom thumbnails to your YouTube Shorts, but there is a caveat. So first things first, you have to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program right now. They will roll this out to everyone eventually, I assume, but right now you have to be a partner in the YouTube Partner Program, and that's kind of the requirement as of right now. So once you meet those requirements, what you'll do is when you're uploading a short, so if I go to my existing shorts here, as if I'm uploading one and hit the details or edit button, when you're uploading a short, you should be able just to scroll down along the process and right here, look at that, thumbnail. You now have the button here where we can click the 3 vertical dots. We can then click on change and then boom. Pulls up your images on your computer. You can select an image for the thumbnail. Make sure it's the right dimensions. Just so you don't have to do it, I did it for you. You can see it's 1080 by 1920. So when you're creating it, that's the best way to do it. You want to do a 9 by 16 aspect ratio, and then it needs to be 2 megabytes or less in size. I would choose JPEG as the file format, but you can choose PNG or GIF if you prefer. As you can see, when you find it, you hit the 3 dots, go to change, and you are good to go. Used to, you could only do this on mobile, and even then you had to select a frame from said video. But now you can actually create custom thumbnails, upload them on desktop, and thank goodness this is going to be a game changer for those of us who like to tinker around with vertical video. With that said, if you have any questions, I'll have a frequently asked question pinned comment, and you can post yours in the comment section below, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video.